huwag natin patagalin. It's time for a game 2 between Rockdown and TSY. Paalala muna natin mga tropa natin. For Rockdown, we have Christian on Rubik. For Birch, it's Ursa. For Bonjan, it's the Nature's Prophet. For Bryce, it's the Necropos. And si Eman Bill will go for the Storm Spirit. Samantala, on TSY, we have Rome on the Wraith King. Si AA, si Alphabet Man on the AA. Si Tito Bert or si All I Ever Wanted on the Primal Beast. Si Lore with the Zeus and si Lion will be handled by Marjo. So Marjo with the next exemplary position for a game on the last game with the Mortas Snipes over and over. So both team is their direction. So Rankdown is finally playing it safe. They're trying to move on the opposite side, trying to find the kill, but TSY is on the opposite side. So no first blood shenanigans will happen compared to what happened in the previous game. At least malalaro ng Rankdown yung comfort na nila dito without having to worry about the disadvantage. Rome will rotate on the top lane. Ang lamang po is si TSY. TSY, 1, Rockdown. Sorry, hindi ko nalagay yung standing. My bad. Samantala on top lane, and si AAS midbound, so this is their improvised bounty rune gank. Bryce will get the kill, and Rome is trying to trade for his spread AA, and si Rome, medyo delikado si Rome dito, and Rome will go down with his friend AA. Nako po, Bryce will get the early 2 kills that he needs for his advantage in the first game. On the first few minutes of this game 2. Ganda yun. Ganda recovery kill yun for Bryce. Hindi pala recovery kill. Ang ganda pala yun. Starting kills pala yun for Bryce. Yes, sir. Yung BPO company, yes. We are a BPO tech store. Anyway, Dota to. So yeah, this tournament is sponsored by Tikas community of Cognizant. So Cognizant Philippines. Mantala on mid lane. Si Eman Bill, which is known to be an offlaner, is trying to go on par with Super Angry Lord dito. Tingin ko, okay naman siya dito, makakapar naman siya dito. It's just that kailangan lang niya maging conservative sa resources niya to be able to secure a dominating game. Samantala, on top lane, Bryce continues to dominate on top lane with AA going down again for TSY. So, ito na yung sinasabi nating problem lineup ng dito. Ng TSY. Masyadong squishy yung support nila eh. Vulnerable. So, given na merong super gandang laning si Bryce dito is na siya, magi-snowball na to. And mapupunta na dito si Rome sa position na kailangan na pa niya mag-jungle o kailangan niya pantiisin yung pag-stick sa top lane. Samantala, Bonjan continues to bully si Rome dito eh. Nako, na-spot na nila may ward dito. Samantala, medyo malalim si Bonjan dito pero hindi na-connect yung stun. Hindi umabot yung stun dito and Rome is in that overextension from Rome costed his life with Rome 0-2 in first 2 minutes of the game. Nako, this is not looking good for TSY. Rankdown continues to punish the lack of discipline for TSY dito. And Rome will continue to farm pa rin naman. It's just that sobrang laki na ng advantage si Price dito. And ang first item ni Price dito will be a Boots of Travel. And Bonjan will continue to bully all of these squishy supports, and particularly si AA. And si Tito Bert is siding the capacities of these Ursa Warrior. Walang mana si Ursa, di walang mana si Papa First dito, pero meron siyang 8 stick charges. Due to the mana drain na rin siguro. Samantala on mid lane, Eamonville continues to dominate the mid lane against Lore, which is, hindi ko masabi ka siya eh, known Storm favor tong lineup na to eh. Kasi meron din naman siya Arc Lightning. So, tingin ko patay lang sila. Tala, si Bryce will continue to run down these squishy supports and AA will continue to suffer. Nako po, Bryce with a 4-0 performance. Nako, this is a dream game for Bryce with no contest at all. Wala nang contest sa kanya dito kasi low level yung AA but at the same time, si Rome dito is wala masyadong level. Wala rin siya ganong resources dito. Walang region dito. And good use of fortification and si Bryce is in the middle of it pero mukhang dapat si Bonjan na lang ata ang ginawa dito ni Rome. And Rome will continue to run for his life. And aabot na pa siya dito ng Heartstopper stock. I don't think so. Aabotan nga siya ng Heartstopper stock dito. Nako, walang TP coming from TSY and Rome will continue to burn to the abyss of death. And ngayon pala mag-rotate dito si Lore. Pero mukhang medyo late na. Natin kung enough yung dito. And meron pang stock dito meron pang stock dito si Bryce ng Heartstopper region. And meron pang dito, stick charges dito si Bryce. So, tingin ko, mabubuhay pa si Bryce dito, pero tignan natin. Sana sa content tricks din. Sabihin nyo sa nyo, sa company nyo, tapos kunin nyo akong caster. Joke lang. Pero if ever you're looking for a guy na pwede mag-cast ng mga local leagues nyo sa mga company tournaments nyo, pwede nyo ako i-PM, pag-usapan natin. So, minor pause for TSY. Pero, tingnan natin maigi. TSY continues to suffer on the top lane as Rome has died thrice. So, actually, yung both deaths ng TSY dito came from Rome and to AA alone. So, what TSY actually needs to do here is they have to rotate the Lion here in the top lane para ma-stop yung aggression ng Rackdown. Kasi, dalawa pa lang to. Nature's Prophet pa lang to, tsaka Necropos. Masyado na nilang nabibigyan ng maraming giveaways si Bryce. So, back to the action. So, nako, kinancel ni Lore. Oh, no. That is not what you wanted. Pero tingin ko, kakancel niya rin talaga due to Magic 1 charges. So, maganda rin na kinancel na lang ni Lore yung TP niya, yung rotation niya. But, so I was saying kanina, kailangan mag-rotate dito ni Marjo to help to stop the bleeding against Necropos. Kasi itong si Rome hindi pwede hindi pwede mag-lane to. He will continue to suffer on the top lane. Kung hindi siya makaka-farm ng maayos dito is magiging detrimental to sa kanyang progress until mid game. Mararamdaman ng TSY yung lack of damage nila until mid game. It's gonna go for a Midas, yes, pero pa yan, sa mid lane pa mararamdaman yung yung return of investment niya. Samantala on bottom lane, they're trying to go for Marjo, or Marjo is about to go down with the help of Bonjan as well. Bonjan ba? Bon 1. Anyway, Bon 1 na lang para tayo mukhang gina-grade 1. Samantala, on top lane, Bryce with the Midas pick. So, pagka-Midas niya dito, he will go for a travel and a Regents after. So, naku, tuloy-tuloy na si Bryce na dito. Ang king dito. And they have secured a Regen rune for Lore dito. Pero, meanwhile, on top lane, kailangan pa rin i-secure dito ng TSY yung top lane nila kasi top lane continues to collapse on both Bryce and Bonjan alone. Minsan si Bryce lang mag-isa. Kaya si Rome is magpupunta na lang sa jungle. Ikaw kailangan gawin ni Rome dito is maglagay siya ng observer ward dito sa may top cliff. Yung strategy na yun madalas ginagawa ni K1 Hector ng Nouns nung previously actually long patch ago yun nung 2019 pa ata. So ang ginagawa niya, naglalagay siya ng observer wards dito kung saan may neutral trip para kung saan magpa-farm yung yung mga skeletons ni Raid King dito para hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng vision or hindi mo na kailangan puntahan yung area na yun para mag-farm yung mga skeletons. Tingin ko yun na lang yung safe way para kayo mag-farm dito. Not to mention, Raid King is a good good jungler farmer provided na yung vampiric spirit niya is merong sufficient charges. So yun na lang yung pwede niyang gawin dito. And top lane has already been secured by the rank down dito. Nako, kakamidas lang. 1 minute later, meron na 1k gold. Pakayaman ng Tito Price. And Emanville will drop for Lore dito. And nako, Lore, wala masyadong mana dito si Lore. Kailangan mag-ingat dito ni Lore. And Emanville should also be careful. Wala nang mana dito si Emanville. Dito rin si Marjo. Not sure if Marjo could chase. Could catch for that aggression. Pero Emanville will run. Samantala si Lore. Nako, si Lore is pitted in the middle of it. And Lore will pay for his life trying to chase. And rank down is punishing TSY's misposition. And si Bonjan is here. And si Tito Bird. Nandito ba si Tito Bird? Pero wala ring trample si Tito Bird dito. Meron lang siya ito onslaught. Cool na pa yung trample niya for 1 second. Meron pa siyang onslaught dito. Pero not even sure if onslaught is worth it. Pero dito po si Christian. Pero papunta dito si Purge. Kailangan niya na makuha yung kill kay Christian. And there's the Thundergat Rat securing the kill for Christian dito. What a good resilience from Tito Bird. Rome will secure his Midas, pero on top lane, si Price will continue to be free, farm free and dito sa top lane. Pero mag-rotate siya sa bottom lane. And si Bert will die in the combination of Zeus, Tito Bert, and the AA dito. Samantala, the first Reaper of the game will be registered under Tito Bert's name, with Price securing a Reaper stock. And Boot of Travel secured. Or papaprice dito, pero check natin kung magta-travel na ba siya kagad or magre-radiance muna siya. Tingin ko radiance muna talaga dapat kasi hindi niya pwedeng sayangan yung time na meron siyang pambili. Tala si Birch died, yes, pero yung ibang tropa naman niya is sitting pretty sa lahat ng lanes. So I'd say at least 2 lanes has been secured by rank down for this game too. The defending champs trying to fight their way back. And ako, na dalap-lap na, the pulverize, and nandito rin si Marjo, and Marjo is here, pero wala pa siyang finger of death dito, and si Price will continue to go down. Ako, nagkaroon pa si Lord dito, and Lord will mauna pa mamatay si Price dito, never mind. And si Birch is in the middle of it, and merong enrage si Birch dito, pero that's it, that's actually it. Napatay nila si Price doon, and Rome, space waited for Rome dito as Rome managed to get closer to the tier 1 top lane of Crackdown, and the Skeletons is doing the work that their boss cannot, is to wish the damage the top lane. Mag-rotate si Bon Juan dito to defend that. Mantala on bottom lane, ako, another bakbaka na naman dito, and ako, nag-miss pa yung stun ni Marjo doon, masyadong spot yung stun. And si Tito Bert has to run back, and si Marjo, meanwhile, Marjo is sprouting someone, and Bonjan will get the kill on Marjo. Sorry, si Bonjan pala yung Nature's Prophet. Sorry. Bonjan will get the kill on Marjo, on that sprout, and on that Urn of Shadows. So, rank down is punishing that aggression from TSY, kahit paano. Pero, despite that, TSY continues to climb on that aggression. On that laning fiasco with Rome continues to climb up. Dala, bottom lane, may kailangan mag-ingat si Tito Bird dito. Mag-isa lang siya dito. And meron ng Reaper site dito si Price. So, isang maling extension lang ni Tito Bird dito is pwede siya mamatay. So, on top lane, wala pa ring re-respond coming in from from rank down. So, Rome will continue to chip down the HP of tier 1 tower on top lane. Samantala, Tito Bird is trying to go aggressive and pulverize all Rubik, and here comes the 4-man Dota from TSY, and the trample will reach Christian dito. Christian will run for his life. But dito rin si Emanville trying to go for a rebuttal kill, and the figure of death has been used for Emanville. Pero hindi pa namatay. And the Reaper has been used for Marjo dito. Another Reaper stock kill from from Price. Di na ako nakapagsalita doon. Grabe yun. Pero 2 for 2 exchange for TSY, for both teams actually, with Rankdown gaining that advantage dahil napatay nila si Tito Bert. And Bon 1 trying to get a kill on AA, pero good juke from AA dito. Walang tinamaan. And si Rome, kailangan mag-ingat si Rome dito, Rome. Kailangan mo mag-ingat. Samantala, yung mga tropa ng Rankdown, isang katropa ng Rankdown is about to rotate on the bottom lane. Kailangan mag-ingat si Rome dito. So, Rome will still try to go for Radiance. Actually, decent pick-up pa rin naman, pero given na quite behind. Pero let's see. Natin kung matsatsaga niya pa dito yung aggression ng Rankdown. Mag-ingat si Rome dito. Samantala, nahuli dito ay si Bryce. Si Bryce is in the middle of 4 heroes of TSY, and Bryce will go down on the hands of Tito Bird. Samantala, here comes TSY trying to go aggressive, and si Emanville nasa likod. Kailangan nilang i-consider yung positioning nila dito, and si Lore is about to got a bit low, and tinatry pa siyang gawa ni Emanville, and Emanville continues to go for a charge with his mana, pero wala nang mana si Emanville dito. And si Emanville will get the kills for his team, which is apat na lang. Matay na yung tatlo, pero wala nang kasama dito si Emanville, and Nature's Prophet will go buyback. And the Pulverite is there with, check natin kung may mana pa dito, and the Star Spirit will go down dahil wala na siyang mana. Napabuyback pa dito si Bon Juan kahit paano, and kailangan gawin ni Rome dito is tumakbo. Walang stun dito. Naabot pa ng Reaper, pero walang stack, pero yet, okay lang yun. Ang importante, mamatay sa kamay ng Rankdown si Rome. Sayang naman yun, pero okay lang yun. Achilles, sabi nga ni Price, kahit di niya nakuha yung stack doon. So, even though the TSY is behind, pag na-out-position nila yung Rankdown dito is, kayang-kaya nila sumabay. It's just that wala pang item kasi si Birch dito. And Birch is still trying to go for a Battle Fury for himself. Onting farm na lang, onting pagsasaka na lang, makukuha ni Birch yung Fury niya dito. So, Emanville is showing the swag for his team with that aggression. Speaking of aggression, kailangan tinatry niyang gumawa dito kay Lore. And Lore, kailangan mo mag-ingat dito, Papa Lore. Napadagger na nga. The dagger pulverized as well. Walang mana masyado si Emanville dito. Pero nakalayo siya ng significant dito. Samantala, walang mana si Bryce dito. Walang HP si Bryce. Pero hindi siya tinamaan ng Oh no, the Finger of Death and the Arc Lightning combo from TSY nailed the coffin on Bryce. Medyo nagiging naging overcomplacent tong Rankdown sa positioning nila. They're not respecting the positioning and the burst damage that TSY has for that. Samantala, si Solitude has been found, and the onslaught, Christian has been found, and Christian has been nailed to death by Lolong, aka the Primal Beast. So, Rankdown continuing to suffer in this 10 to 15 minutes of the game. Tala si Rome. Nakakabawi na si Rome dito with the 3k gold. He's about to go for Radiance. Actually, kailangan niya rin pala talaga mag-Radiance para makasabay sa scaling against this Ursa. Kailangan niya lang dito sa Aghanim, considering na sobrang daming spells na pwede ipukul dito ng TSY. Kahit patay na sila, masakit pa rin yun. Malaking factor dito yung Radiant Aghanim ni Rome. Actually, kahit hindi siya offlane, tingin ko kailangan niya i-prioritize dito yung Aghanims. Pero let's see kung ano magiging item progression dito ni Rome. Samantala, on the support front, Marjo already securing a Blink Dagger for him. As well as si Tito Bert. Meron namin dagger si Tito Bert. So, magkakabigay na siya in a few golds. Tala si Lore is smoke. Pero pumalo siya. And they're going for the hunt. Not sure. Nahanap dito. Si Star, Emanville. Emanville is in trouble. Po. It under that, the Dire Observer Ward. Samantala on bottom lane. They're regrouping on their last safe place sa bottom lane, which is the tier 1. And Christian managed to get a onslaught for him. Si Tito Bert is trying to go deep. Samantala, the Reaper site has been used for Marjo. Samantala, si Bryce get the kill for Lion and Reaper site on Lion. And Tito Bert, medyo malalim Tito Bert dito. And Tito Bert will go down on the hands of Nature's Prophet and the Thundergut Rat. And si Bert, ito na si Papa Birch. Papa Birch is going on the case for sa bangkay ni Lord dito. And Lord will try to go for an exchange. Alam niya wala siyang ano dito, wala siyang takas dito. And Birch will get a double kill for him. 4-4-3 exchange for for rank down. Una namatay si Eman Bildon. So nagka-count pa rin si Eman Bildon as casualty. Okay. So even though TSY is trying to make something happen, space created pa rin yun for Rome. As Rome is about to get his Radiance. Pero hindi enough yung Radiance to propel yung aggression ng ano dito, ng rank down. Samantala on mid lane, ako, di pa napatay! Oh my God! Hindi nila na-burst si Eman Bildon, and Eman Bildon will run away with murder with the haste rune. And ako, may spells coming in from TSY. Hindi nila na ano doon, hindi nila na onslaught ng one time yung ano doon, yung Storm Spirit. And ayun, Marjo will go down for that misplay. And Bonjan is on trying to secure vision, trying to find as well with that Sprout. Walang blade mail si ano dito, si Tito Bert. Kung ang rank down may Papa Birch, si TSY may Tito Bert. So Lord is going for a Ethereal Blade for him. Good pick up for him actually kasi puro physical heroes yung yung rank down. Well, actually yung pinakamasakit nilang proponent is physical with the Storm and the Orsa. So yung magic damage nila is actually kay Bryce mamaya pa. So what TSY need actually is they have to amp up the aggression with proper execution kasi given na tatlo ang farmer sa side ng rank down, hindi sila pwede maging complacent pagdating sa current status ng game nila even though that they're securing kills over and over. Kailangan nilang palitin pa yung map ng rank down dito. Kailangan naman sila yung mag-incur ng small spaces dito para sa rank down. Hindi sila pwede makontento sa farming game dito. Pero tignan natin, with Tito Bert securing a BKB, tignan natin kung magbabago na yung style of execution dito ng TSY. So, I think they have to group up and smoke. Meron bang nakasmoke sa kanila? I think wala silang smoke. Meron. Meron sila. Isa. And Rome leading the charge. And nako, hindi napapansin dito yung observer ward. So, valuable ward to coming in from TSY. They're looking for and they're looking for Christian. Christian has been found. And Bryce is in the area as well. Pero na-pulverize si Bryce. Tingnan natin kung meron pa siyang dito. And dumating na yung yung Ice Blast dito for AA. And si Rome is trying to hit. And matatapos na yung enemies dito ni Bird. And Lore is in the middle of the fight. Pero mukhang alanganin yung pwesto niya. And Emanville will get the kill on Lore. And samantala si Bird is trying to go on Tito Bert. And never mind, si Rome will get the kill on Bonjan. So 3-4-2 exchange on TSY, di pa tapos to. Tingnan natin kung gagawa pa dito yung TSY. And ako, gumawa pa nga sila. And the pulverize is there also dahil walang enrage. And Birch will go down. What a play coming in from Tito Bert. Leading the charge for TSY dito. Kailangan nila mag-ingat. Merong dito, Storm Zip dito. And the Storm Zip, hindi umabot ng Storm Zip. Ako, inabutan pa nga si AA. Okay na yun. Clean retreat na yun. So what a play coming in from TSY. Tito Bert leading the charge across this team fight. So, 5-4-3 exchange pala yun with Rubik with a dieback. Oh no. Rank down. And they have fought under the tier 2 tower pa of rank down. Still, TSY managed to get a favorable trade for them. Grabe. Hindi mo rin kasi talaga pwedeng i-ignore yung dito, yung magic burst dito ng TSY. Not to mention, pag nag-lag pa yung Ice Blast dito kay Bryce, non-factor siya sa game. Maga namatay si Bryce doon, kaya so good pick-off and good target prioritization for TSY dito. Na-manage nilang mapatay agad si Bryce ng una. Actually, una namatay doon si Christian. Then sunod si Bryce naman, tinamaan ng Ice Blast. Samantala, on mid lane, si Lord na naman. Lord na naman ang casualty. Medyo malalim si Lord doon. Kailangan niya magkaroon ng sagot sa Orchid na yon, which is the Yule Scepter of Divinity. The chip. Samantala, BKB charge. Pinuse for Tito Bert. And they managed to get the kill on Emanville. And the enrage has been used. So, kailangan tumakbo ng ng rank down dito. And Rome is, nako, cooldown ng ang Quelling Plate. And Tito Bert is dead. And they're trying to get the kill, or Bonjan, and the snipe kill for Marjo, and another in an exchange of Reaper stock kill for Preston. Medyo maasim si Marjo doon. That's not the target that you want. And ako, nahuli pa dito si AA. And what a return kill for Rockdown dito. Nako, Rome, kailangan mo mag-ingat. Pero wala ka naman din bash. So all good in the hood. Nako, tagal ng TP ni Rome. Muntik na. Nadelay lang ng konti si PSY Rome. Rome is going for an AC for him. No, gusto niya talaga maipagampasan dito kay Birch. Pero hindi kasi yung hampasan moment ang dito, ang habol mo dito mapatagal yung team fight. Para makapag-burst makapagbitaw ng marami spell dito yung TSY. Madami silang magic burst eh. They have the Zeus, they have the Lion, and they have the, not to mention the Trample. So kahit patay na si Lolong dito, kaya pa rin magdabog-dabog medo sa team fight. So it all boils down na lang kung paano ma-outposition ng TSY ulit yung rank down. Okay na yung nila kanina yung timing nila kanina. It's just that they're just having mishap or mispositioning pagdating sa execution or pick-offs. And tingnan natin ang vision ng rank ng TSY dito. Actually, wala silang vision sa opposite side of the map. Pero with rank down, they know where they are, or they know that someone is missing, pero they went for the Tormentor. Not sure if ma-detect ng dito. Actually, pwede mag-Thundergat Rat si Lord dito. Kaya lang, hindi niya nahuli. And ito na, nagkasuntukan na. And the Pulverize has been used for Necropos. And ako, the Ice Glass has been last, pero mukhang mamamatay dito si Bright, and Bright is dead. Antala, they're kiting Birch, and Birch is trying to go on AA dito. Nako, hindi pa nakapag-enrage si Bright. Hindi pala nakapag-PKP dito si Birch. Nako, 2-for-1 exchange coming in from TSY with both cores going down on the side of Rankdown. This is a secured tier 2 mid lane for TSY. What a play from TSY. And nako, Tito Bird has spotted si Bon 1 dito. With Bon 1, there's also a Pulverize, but no Pulverize needed. Rome will get that unstoppable kill. After that laning phase fiasco for Rome, hindi pa siya namamatay ulit. And then, namatay pala siya once. So, 8-4 standing ni Rome dito, and with an unstoppable streak. Rome is continuing to farm for his AC. And si Lore is almost close for his Yule Scepter of Divinity. So, konti na lang. 700 gold na lang may-use na si Rome dito. So, hindi na siya mapipick off basta-basta ni Storm dito ng solo. Patala, si Emanville already has BKB for him. And ito na, sa bottom lane. Ito na, mainit na bakbakan. Niluluto na. With less than 1k gold lead for rank down. So, lahat ng lead nila kanina, nawala na lahat yun. And ako, nakita si Tito Bert. And ako, tumalon si Rome dito. And Rome has spotted si Christian. And Christian is trying to tinetry nila yung si Bright. Si Bright, tinamaan ng dito tinamaan ng Ice Blast dito, and Bright is again dead. And Burst is trying to man fight against these two heroes. Never mind, they got the kill for Tito Bird dito with the stolen Finger of Death. Mantala, Bill will get the cleanup kill on Ancient Apparition. And Burst is trying to man fight, pero there's also the Finger of Death for Lion. Naka-prepare kay Marjo yun. And pag-isa na lang si Rome dito, kung kaya niya ba ilaban to. Try niya gumawa kay Christian dito, and he's gonna get a return kill for Bon 1. May mana pa si dito, si Birch dito. Si Emanville. Nako, nabait pa nga yung stand. Nako, walang vision si dito. Nako, mukhang mamamatay dito si Emanville. Isang palo. Pak! Nako, Rome outplaying the 4 heroes of Crackdown. Grabe yun, Tito Rome. Putting TSY on his back. Pero buhay na si Bryce dito. Kailangan mag-ingat dito. Kailangan mag-ingat dito, Rome. But there's also the Reaper. Mukhang mamamatay dito si Rome. The godlike streak has been secured. Pero tinamaan din si doon. And a return kill for TSY with Lore. on the Thunder God strat. Pero even still, the damage has been done. 5 for 5 dead. Actually, 5 for 6. Kasi dalawang beses namatay yung Rubik sa ano na yun, skirmish na yun. Mantala on mid lane, si Bonwan is trying to bully si AA, pero nandito si Tito Bert. Hoy, pag mo ginagalaw yung AA namin, with Bonwan will pay for that aggression. And si Bonwan has been, pinagdadabog ni Tito Bert. So with this recovered lead from TSY, tingin ko kailangan na lang nila mag-Roshan. Kasi kailangan nila ng overwhelming advantage at least to be able to put up the fight on rank down eh. Kasi itong lineup ng rank to, pag tumagal tong team fight nyo, medyo nasa mali kayo dahil si tropang Price eh, may Heart of Taras na. He's going for a BKB next. It's a good pick off also para dun sa na yun, sa Ice Plus na yun. Pero ang ganda rin kasi na ginagawa ng TSY eh, pag tinamaan si Price ng Ice Plus, pinuburst na nila kagad eh. Kumbaga nagiging non-factor yung Heart of Taras doon kasi hindi naman siya nag-heal in the first place. Pero ang kailangan nila bantayan doon pag nagkasangkit kaya tong Necropos. Bali wala na yung Ice Plus kasi saglit na lang mag-burn down yun. So Marjo is just scouting for the Roche Pit pero yung sangkatropahan ng Ranktown is converging on the top lane. Pero nakita nila si Christian dito. Christian, kailangan mo mag-ingat. Nako, di pa nila hinuli si Christian pero hindi rin nila kasi kita eh. Mantala si Rome is about to go on top lane. And si Eman Bill is on a position where pwede niya makita dito si Marjo. Nako po, Marjo is just trying to hide. Nako po, nahuli nila si Solitude dito. Nako, maling target pa. Mantala, Bonjan goes down or is first. And si Solitude, so tatlo na ang namamatay sa side ng rank down. And si Bryce will live. No, he will not live. Nako, wala pang dito, Reaper side. Nako, may Reaper pala, pero naka-hack. What a, 4-for-1 exchange for rank down. What a play coming in from TSY. Prioritizing targets, but at this time, the prioritized target that they caught is yung mga support. Kasi alam nilang nahihirapan sila pagka yung mga support is nabubuhay ng matagal. So with that team fight secured, makaka-secure ng ages dito ang rank TSY uncontested with rank down, nothing that they can do. Which is, nako, magiging that factor dito si Birch sa mga team fights na to. And ang bilis na ba-burn ng BKB charges niya. And binigay nila kay Tito Bert, which is Tito Bert notable kasi si Tito Bert is an actual beast. Napakakuha na Tito Bert dito, 3,700 HP. And TSY is trying to go for a high ground push. So tingnan natin kung ano na ba to. Victory March. Actually, hindi pa naman Victory March, pero ramdam na ng Ranktown yung pressure dito ng TSY considering that they have been winning this fight in and out. They're managing to get rebuttal kills, but at the same time, it is not enough for them to secure a swinging team fight for themselves. Medyo naiwan na si Papa Birch dito sa sa eco game. Kulang pa siya ng at least 2 to 3 items. So, TSY Rogue is continuing to make his Skellingtons push. Level 24 na pala si dito. Si Rome dito. Mantala si Lore is level 19. Wala pala halos nakasunod sa kanya. So, sobrang taba ni Rome dito. Considering na sa lahat ng team fight na pinanalo niya, siya lang mag-isa nandun. Siya lang maiwang mag-isa. And nako, Quickening Charm pa. Quickening Charm has been picked off by Rome dito. So magandang to for his shard. So Rankdown just continues to salvage whatever resources they can get. Pero hindi nila maiiwasan yung inevitable dito, which is the high ground push High Ground Siege or High Ground Crusade by ano dito by TSY. Ito na, the Skeletons is about to go to walk their march with the ano, not to mention meron pa ano dito. Catapult creep. Nako, muntik na si Emanville doon. Nauna lang ng konti si Emanville. Na-late na ng konti. Split second lang si Tito Bert. So with Tito Bert is normaling the tier 3 tower. Walang kaso. Wala namang babawa sa kanila dyan in the first place. Nako, tinalunan pa nga si Rome doon. Nako, medyo malalim si Rome doon pero he doesn't care. Nako, nasa gitna pa si Bert. The BKB. Nako, si Bert is about to go down. Nako, kapalo siya ni Rome doon. Mantala, si Rome is almost low pero may ano pa siya dito, reincarnation pa. Wala nang ano dito, pulverize si Tito Bert and si Pawn 1 is in the grave as well as the Ursa Warrior by Verge. Tala on mid lane, ako po, they're trying to go for Christian, and Christian is low, and si Bryce just trying to slow down si, ano dito, si Tito Bert. May pulverize na dito si Tito Bert. The pulverize has been used to Bon 1 and Bon 1. That's a dieback for Bon 1 as well as Emanville is also dead. And Bryce is just trying to go, hindi na siya nakatayo. Trying to go up, but hindi na siya nakabangon with the overwhelming damage coming in from TSY. And TSY is nailing the coffin for the defending champs on our ECOG Olympics League. Nako po, and TSY is on their victory ticket for the grand finals and nagbubuk na sila ng ano dito. Nagbubuk na ng grab, papuntang Tomas Morato. Papuntang High Grounds Coffee. Grabe naman si ano doon, Tito Bert. Tito Bert is the overall MVP for that execution and the way that they're executing these team fights for TSY is talaga namang ano. And not to mention Rogue is carrying his team on his back with that damage that he has. So even though he doesn't have an Aghanim yet, so ang laking factor nung damage na pinato niya towards that towards those team fights. And now a mega creep has been secured for TSY dito and all rank down that can do is to show out these mega creep waves all across the lanes. Again, TSY with an exemplary performance coming in from Tito Bert. And also, not to mention, also Marjo nailing the disables for the notable targets. This is si Necropos. At the same time, si Birch. So, Rome, already securing an Aghanim for him. Punta na lang ata dito yung ano niya, yung Warrior. There's now nako, Aghanim sa ano pala yun? Aghanim blessing pala yun. Napakayaman naman talaga ni Rome. 29k gold net worth. Tala si Lore, but he has a use, and meron namin siyang Aghanim Scepter dito for sure. So, kompleto na. Kompleto na ang batalyon towards the victory march papunta sa Mega Creeps. Sa bottom lane, with Rome leading the charge. Hindi na niya kailangan problema sa buhay niya dito kasi meron na siyang Aghanim Scepter. Not to mention yung Mortal Strike pa. Mortal Strike cooldown. Sure crit every 3 seconds. 2 seconds pala rather, sorry. 1.8 to be specific, so almost 2. So Rome leading the charge for TSY and rank down. Tignan natin kung meron pa bang one final last fight tong rank down. Natin kung kaya pa ba sumabay na rank down dito sa mid lane. Pero Rome has been pummeling his along with the Skeleton, the tier 4 tower with the Sage Creep. And namantala si Tito Bert secured the pulverize on Bryce. There's the 4th tap but hindi namama yung Ice Blast doon. And kahit paano nabuhay ng medyo malaya-laya si Bryce. Tala, Emanville secured the kill on Marjo and Rome is trying to go toe-to-toe with Birch. Pero wala na si Emanville. That is the last drop for Emanville. And Reaper side for Lore, pero di umabot yung buhay ni Lorton. And 3 to 4 heroes dead. Never mind. 4 heroes has been dead. And GG has been called. What a great showing from TSY dito. Congratulations, TSY, for that dominating win. So, TSY secured a 2-0 lead for Rankdown against Rankdown, and the defending champ has been eliminated for their bid for the grand finals to defend their championship title for ECOG Olympics. So again, TSY, prioritizing targets and prioritizing timings. Yun yung nagpanalo sa kanila doon. Even though Rankdown has been up for at least first 20 minutes of the game, still, good team fight and good execution and good selection of targets yung naging ano nila doon. Naging key to success nila. So, big props pa rin sa Rankdown even though na natalo sila doon. Pinakita naman nila yung excellence nila sa laning with Price continues to dominate on top lane. So, pinahirapan niya si Rongdon. So, kitang-kita nyo naman 3 beses namatay si Rongdon tsaka si AA sa top lane. Na ang adversary lang nila is si Bonwan lang and si Price. Walang rotation. Still, congratulations to TSY. So, big props to Rankdown. So, TSY will now await the winner between Omsim and the Co-Blaster +4. So, pinakamainit na matchup ngayong araw is Co-Blaster and Omsim. So, congratulations to TSY and big props to Rankdown. And thank you so much for participating for our Season 6 of ECOG Olympics. So, rest assured na yung pinakita nyong games will always be a standard across other teams. So, that's it. I think, tignan lang namin kung kailangan namin mag-transfer ng broadcast kay Sir Mel. Si Sir Mel is up na in a few, ang aking broadcast partner. So, thank you everyone for watching this series. So, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. And in a few, magla-live na rin si Sir Mel more likely for our next series between Co-Blaster and Omsim. Ciao!